Maybe I am too straight for person, and you can tell it's crossing the line. Crossing the line.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's Sarah. I'm probably the last person on YouTube to do a Euphoria inspired makeup look, but I've been so inspired by all of the makeup looks on that show, especially Maddie's. I relate to her so much and it's just, I love her character. From what I've seen on YouTube, most makeup looks that was inspired by Euphoria were inspired by her character, but I've never seen anyone recreate this one yet, and I really liked it. Not just her makeup, but like her whole look. So yeah, I figured I would try it out and do something a little different. I love this look and I love using little rhinestones and crystals in your makeup look. Like now that I'm not scared of using them, I'm gonna use them a lot more now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I did all this. I skipped the foundation and brows because obviously the eyes took a lot of work, so I wanted to focus on that. But yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Okay, so to start, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner in black ink. I'm using a small eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to start off with drawing the shape out.
They ask, I still don't wanna add. Don't wanna add.
It is a little bit intimidating to start off with such a dark color. That's why you need to slowly build it up and slowly perfect the shape you want. And I'm bringing the eyeliner all the way into the inner corner. Oh fuck, I got a little bit on my lid.
I gotta say before you take my word.
I'm bringing this down to the lower lash line as well, and the waterline. And that's what I like about this eyeliner. It's really versatile. So you can use it for your waterline, and you can use it to do, you know, creative looks like this one. Now I'm slowly bringing this into just around where my pupils are. Now that I have the general shape, I'm going to take the Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal Liquid Eyeshadow in Disco and just apply it directly on the lid. Now I'm picking up a matte black eyeshadow and just blending this part.
Maybe I am too straight for person.
And around now is the time to check if they're symmetrical. So I'm going back in on this side just to make sure it's the same as the other side.
Do your thing and don't mind my thing. Take the real thing in your story, please.
And then I'm taking a Q-tip just to really make sure the shape is clean. And smudge out the lower lash line a little. I bought these little rhinestones from Amazon. So they have different sizes. I'm going to use the smallest one because we're packing a lot in a very small area. And I'm just going to take some lash glue where I want the rhinestones to be and just put them on. My hands are shaking.
I don't care about good or bad, even if they ask, I still don't wanna add. Don't want.
Now that both eyes are done, I actually really like how it looks without lashes, so I'm going to take off my falsies. I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara.
Live without it to set.
Okay, now that the eyes are done, I want to contour a little. So I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. I'm going to mix these two for my under eyes.
Before you take my words so deep or easy, I know you're not happy, but
I put on foundation before I started doing my eye look, which was a mistake because there was definitely some fallout. That's why I'm trying to clean up that area right now. But if you're doing this at home, do the eyes first. Highlighting around the mouth. And then I'm taking this shade right here for a little bit of a contour. Jawline. I like that this isn't super pigmented, so it really takes time to build that color, which is what we want. And then I'm gonna contour the nose using the same shade.
Don't take it in a bad way. I gotta save you.
So now to the lips. I'm going to use the Il Makiage lip liner in Bible. I'm overlining a little bit to deepen my Cupid's bow. And then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Soft Touch. In the pictures, it looks like there was a huge contrast between the lip liner and the lipstick. So that's why I'm using a much lighter lipstick right now. If you want it to look even more nude, just dab a little bit of foundation on your lips. For the cheeks, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Pearlescent Pink. So this is it for the makeup. Okay, I switched to a top that looks a little bit more like the one she wore. Since my arms are showing, I'm going to use a little bit of body lava. And I want my hair to look a little bit fuller, so I'm using this piece from insert name here. I think this is supposed to be for a bun, but you know what? If it works, it works. And this is the finished look.
You're not happy by me being cheesy, so pardon me.
So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I really wanted to start being more adventurous with my looks now, because literally this is what made me enjoy makeup, and I feel like I just kind of got stuck in a routine. So let me know if there are any looks you want me to recreate. I'll read all the comments. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching the whole video. You can subscribe down below and don't forget to turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!
That even if they ask, I still don't wanna add.